Look at this equation. Which type of equation is this? This is a quadratic equation because the highest power is 2. Now, we want to solve this quadratic equation using factorization method. Now, how do we solve using factorization method? The first thing is you multiply your constant with the coefficient of x squared. So you multiply 14 with 2. When you multiply this, you have 28. Then you will now fish out the factors, two factors that you multiply together to get 28. That is two numbers that you multiply together that will result to 28. So we have 2 times 14, then we have 4 times 7. So that's all. These are the two pairs of number that will give us 28. Our purpose is to pick the factors that we can use to replace this minus 11. So let's check the factor that when we give it same sign or different sign, we will get minus 11. If we check very well, you notice that it is only 4 and 7. Minus 4, minus 7, that will result to minus 11. So this is the factor that we will use to replace this. But we cannot use this. There is no how we do 2 and 14 that will get minus 11. So now, let's write the question again. 2x squared. So instead of writing minus 11x now, this is what we are using. Minus 4x minus 7x, then plus 14 equal to 0. We have successfully replaced minus 11x with the two factors we picked. Then the next thing you do is put them in brackets. Then this also in brackets. Then this is where factorization comes in. Then you factorize. What is common to this? If you look at the number, 2 is common. 2 can go here, 2 can go here. 2 is common. Then there is x here, there is x here. X is also common. So 2x is what is common here. Then you will now use this value to divide each of these. 2 divided by 2, they will cancel out. X in x squared will be left with 1x. Minus 2 in 4, you have 2. X will cancel x. So we have done this. We have already factorized this first one. You do the same thing here. Mind you, anything you get for this bracket must be same thing with this bracket also. So what is common here? X is not common, but 7 is common. 7 can go in 7, 7 can go in 14. And the sign of 7 is minus, so minus 7 is common. Then you divide, same way we did this. Minus 7 divided by minus 7x, you will be left with x. Minus divided by plus, that will be minus. 14 divided by 7, that will be 2 equal to 0. So you can see the two brackets are the same thing. Then the next thing is pick one of these brackets first, x minus 2. Then put this and this in brackets. 2x minus 7 equal to 0. Then you separate them. X minus 2 equal to 0. And 2x minus 7 equal to 0. Collect like times, you have x equal to 2 when it comes here. And here you have 2x equal to 7. To get your x, divide both sides by 2. So our x equal to 7 over 2, which is 3 whole number 1 over 2. And here we have our x equal to 2. For quadratic equation, you always get two pair of answers, two answers. So this is our final answer.